One thing that surprises Outer Banks buyers after they go under contract has nothing to do with the house itself. A lot of buyers fall in love with a property online first, but once they go under contract on the Outer Banks, the real education starts. Because suddenly we're talking about insurance, flood zones, wind coverage, elevation certificates, HOA details, rental history, maintenance near the ocean, and long-term carrying cost. And honestly, for many buyers, especially out-of-town buyers, this part can be eye-opening. The Outer Banks is an incredible place to own property, but it's also a very unique coastal market. That's why having a local guidance matters so much during the process. I'm Christi Bryant with Keller Williams Outer Banks, and if you have questions about buying the OBX, feel free to reach out anytime.